Hi, my name is Alexis Roberts, and today I'm going to be completing a repair in this little hole that I have in my porcelain bathroom sink. And I'm going to be using HIMG Surface Repair LCA White Tones. And it's a surface repair kit. It comes equipped with 3 different shades of white, and after looking at them, we have the gray white, we have the oyster white, and we have the pure white, and I feel like pure white will be best. I've already screwed on the application tip. It's very easy to screw on. Make sure it's all the way secure. And I'm just going to add a little bit of material, being sure not to overfill, like so. And then we're going to take the provided curing strip and we're going to lay it down like so. And we're going to use the application tool just to be sure that it's flat. And then I am going to use the provided LED light keychain and the LED light stand, which, as you can see here from the photo, is designed for you to prop your LED light and not actually have to hold it. You can leave it and let it cure. So that's what we're going to do. So I inserted my light and we're going to let it cure. And we fast forward through the curing process just for purposes of this video. So now I'm going to remove this and double check. Seems to be nice and solid. I'm gonna remove the curing strip, and the next step is to sand. And so I'm going to take the provided sandpaper and just lightly sand. And the next step is to use the provided polishing paste for the final step. So we're just gonna give it a little dab. That should be good. And we're going to use the provided cloth to smooth in. And voila. Can you spot the defect? Completed with HIMG Surface Repair White Tones.